this is Jeff Sawyer with Bike Tech, and we're taking a quick look at some shifting problems in the rear. And if you notice, the rear derailleur hanger is bent. It should be in line with the rear sprockets or the cassette. And if you look with the straight edge, it's quite a bit off. So that would be why we might be having some troubles with our shifting. We're going to use the derailleur hanger alignment gauge along with a 5mm Allen key to make that adjustment. First thing we're going to do is shift all the way into the highest gear or the small ring if possible. And that may not even be possible because it's bent. So we will need to go over manually. And we are going to go ahead and remove the derailleur and just let it hang. I'm going to take some tension off of it in order to do that, to make the job a little easier. The 5mm Allen key to loosen the bolt that's holding the derailleur onto the derailleur hanger, which in this case is actually part of the frame itself. We're going to let that just hang out there. And the derailleur hanger alignment gauge is going to thread right into that same slot that the derailleur was in. So we need to be really careful not to cross thread that, otherwise we're making extra work and we'll have another task to do. I'm going to thread that nicely all the way in. What I'm looking for is to align this piece of the frame or the derailleur hanger so that it's straight with the wheel. Hopefully you've checked your wheel first that it's true. And we'll check in at least 3 different places to make sure the distance is the same. And that will give us an idea of how far we need to bend it. So up here up top, and if I slide that down to the bottom, I can see it's a heck of a lot closer. It's about 2 inches off. It's actually sticking out the other side of the wheel. So I'm going to start down at the bottom. And this is the amount of difference between the top and the bottom that's misaligned. So we're actually going to try to bend this piece of the frame half of that distance. So I'm going to hold here at the frame for stability and pull down using mechanical advantage at the bottom of the derailleur hanger adjustment tool. And it looks like we got about a 1/2 inch there. And ideally, I want to get this within less than 4mm, 2mm. Be pretty good, 1mm ideal. So I think I've got it about 1 inch out from where it originally was. Check that real quick, see where we're at. And wow, that's pretty darn close. Let's run it down to the bottom again and make sure. So top to bottom, that's pretty straight. It's about 1/2 millimeter off perhaps, but we also want to check the other direction to make sure that, and it's actually hitting there, it's about 3mm into the rim. So I want to actually pull that back this way a little bit so that it's square all the way around. So I already checked this point on this side. I've got about a 3mm gap right here between the rim and the pin that I'm measuring with. So I want to bend it this way a little bit, very minimal. See, I might want to go too far. It doesn't take a lot of pressure to make that bend happen. Yeah, we're not a little too far on that. So 5mm hopefully. And we are there, it's perfectly even there from side to side. And slide it up, see where we are here. And now we are back to 3mm off up here. So it can take you a couple of times to get this correct. When you bend it, you want to make sure that you're only moving it in one direction so that you don't have an error in another direction that you're working with. And I think we're looking a lot closer there, within less than 2mm, closer to 1, and that's acceptable to me. We're going to unthread the derailleur hanger alignment gauge. Place the derailleur back into the original position. Re-threading in the bolt that we took out initially. I'm going to start by hand to make sure I'm not getting any cross threading. Once I know I've got a few threads and it's going in pretty easily, I'll go back to my 5mm Allen key, thread that back in, and have at least 5mm of torque on that. Nice snug amount of pressure so that it does not come apart at a later time. Oh, careful, there's a little stop on there. I want to make sure the stop gets behind where the derailleur hanger sticks out there, otherwise you won't have any tension. So that needs to be behind just a little bit. Thread it back on. Pretty snug there, and let's see how we're looking compared to what we were before. Put a straight edge on that. And that looks pretty darn good. That's all for today. Thanks for visiting Bike Tech.